There is actually an accounting definition difference between renovation and structural renovations. So if you do turn it into a substantial renovation, your product now actually attracts GST when you sell it. And there goes a big whack of your profit. So if you substantially alter a property, so you've now in effect created a new product, in the eyes of the ATO, you are now required, of course I'm not an accountant, not financial advice, but you are required to pay GST on the sale of that product. So if you took a 3-bedroom home and you built an extra wing to add a 4th bedroom, you've now substantially altered that property, you've altered the footprint. Now it is definitely not a clean cut thing as everything with the ATO. So if you stick with cosmetic, you dress it up, you can add bedrooms inside, you can add a wall inside, you can take walls out. So even though technically that might be structural, you haven't substantially altered the property, okay? Of course, always speak to your accountant. Ultimately, if you can't do it in 6, 8, 10, 12 weeks, it's not cosmetic. You've gone too far.